heart. I didn't get those on my Instagram. Maybe I'll work harder to lose more grams. Yes, I can.
Okay, we've done the word splash. We've gathered a list of words that we can use.
Yeah.
Something else that we should take note of when we're writing lyrics is called scansion.
Yeah, that's right. So scansion, also known as word stress, is where we stress the correct syllables within the word or the correct word within the line so that the whole line and the whole sentence sounds natural, there is a good flow, and it's easy for the listeners to understand.
Yeah, it's all about the lyrical flow when it comes to word stress.
Yeah.
So we've got a verse that you've written.
Yes.
So let's take a listen to that.
Okay.
Let me get the guitar. 1, 2, 3.
Why? Sometimes I'm not sure what is wrong with me, because she is so much more popular than me. Can't you see? Why? Why doesn't anyone want to be? Why doesn't anyone want to see more of me?
Yeah, so this is the second verse that I have for now. I feel a bit uncertain about some of the lyrics. I feel like the word stress might not be in the right places, or it doesn't sound as natural as it could. If we just look at the first line, sometimes I'm not sure what is wrong with me. I feel like maybe I could change I'm not sure to something else that flows a bit better.
Yeah,
What
I
do you
agree. Sometimes I'm not sure. Yeah, the stress.
The stress is on not.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm not sure. Yeah, it's
So
on
when you-
not instead of
yeah.
sure.
When you're talking like I'm not sure, right? That's the emphasis on sure.
Yeah,
More than I'm not sure.
exactly.
Okay. Yeah, the second line as well. You had because she is so much more popular than me, and the popular was that you're trying to squeeze the
Yeah.
3 syllables into very quickly. Popular.
Yeah, it's like 3 syllables trying to squeeze into the space of 1. So maybe
Yeah.
that could be edited as well. And then the second part of the verse, why doesn't anyone want to be? That feels a bit short, like we could have a longer word that fills the space a bit more.
Talking about anyone, right?
Anyone.
Yeah. And also you have anyone want. It's almost like a repeat
Yeah.
as well.
Oh, that's
And-
true. Yes.
And then same thing for the following line, I suppose. Why doesn't anyone want to see?
yeah.
Right?
So the one and the want sound a bit too similar, so it might be a bit confusing.
Yeah. Okay, so we've listed down some of the parts that we can improve on. So maybe we try revising this verse.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so looks like we've got a new, updated, revised verse.
Yes.
Let's try that again and
Okay.
see if the word stress will work better this time. Okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Why? Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with me, 'cause she's got so many more likes than me. Can't you see? Why? Why doesn't anybody want to be? Why doesn't anybody want to see more of me?
Yep.
Definitely a lot smoother now. There's more lyrical flow.
Yeah.
And I think word stress plays a big part in this.
Yes.
So we identified some of the words that didn't really work.
Yeah.
And then now you swapped out with some good ones. So let's look at that.
Sure. So, in the line, sometimes I'm not sure what is wrong with me, we changed I'm not sure to I wonder, because they basically mean the same thing, but the word stress for I wonder is on one of wonder, which is natural, and it's how we say it even when we're speaking. I think that works.
Yep. The second line, previously you had because she is so much more popular than me,
Yeah.
right? And now we've got cause she's got so many more likes than me,
Yeah.
right?
So this works also because we are going back to the idea of like as well, which reminds us that it's about social media too.
Yeah, and I also actually noticed this line is sort of like the same meaning, right? The before version and the after, but just that you phrase it in a different manner.
Yeah.
And while doing that, you sort of position where the word stress is as well to make it smoother.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the second half
And
of
then,
the verse.
yeah, so for the second half, I changed anyone to anybody, and I did that for both lines. So why doesn't anybody want to be? Why doesn't anybody want to see more of me? And it fills that part of the melody properly. It fills it well, because previously I was stretching the one and it was a bit unnatural. So now anybody fills that melody line like just nice.
Yeah, previously you had anyone, right?
Yeah,
Now you
exactly.
have anybody.
Anybody, yeah.
So you have one more syllables added, right, to it. 4 syllables instead of 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think that works. So we've gone through word stress. I think there's something else we can look into, and that's on rhymes. Let's dive into that right now.
Cool.